Hello guys, we try to continue our subject, which is how to make thousands of dollars in each trade with a small account. Now we are in lesson 4. So in this lesson 4, I will just give you a general idea about stocks. Try to avoid stocks that are going down for a long time. Okay? This is a general opinion about stocks. It's better to find stocks that you see going up, okay? Let's say 1 year or 2, I just give you an example. You see, for example, 1 year or 2, this stock, it was, for example, $1. Now it is $5. And you see that there is growth and the stock is going up. So these are the kind of stock that we are looking for. We are looking for stocks that are moving up, not the opposite. So most of the beginners, when they go to search for stocks, they don't know the history of the stock, where the stock was. You find a stock that it is $2 and you think it is good, but last year it was $20 or $30 or $40. This company is going to go maybe bankrupt, but you don't know. Okay? So at least check the history of the stocks and see, are these stocks going up or going down? If they are going up, the chances in this year or next year they will be going up. So whenever you know when to buy the stock or what is your buy entry, if you know how to do this, it means you have better chances to find stocks that are trending up, and you will be making money through these kind of stocks. Now, when I say thousands, yes, thousands, okay? Thousands of dollars. I'm just giving you an example, okay? Just a simple example. If you buy 2,000 shares of a stock that it is $1. 2,000 shares. The stock is $1. If this stock goes from $1 to $1.50, just 50 cents, you will get $1,000 as profit. You have only 2,000, but you get 1,000, which is a lot of money compared to your account, which is only $2,000. Now these things that I'm talking about is something real. You can do it and anyone can do it. I know you should need some experience, you should need some strategies, you should need to practice, okay? It's not just from today, you see my video, tomorrow you will be making thousands of dollars without knowing how things work, okay? So you need some training, you need some practice. So this is the thing. In most of the stocks, when the companies are just small, there are a lot of people, they like this kind of stocks and they buy them for long. And there are some beginners who just they buy stocks and they leave them in their account for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. There are a lot of people like this. It means they are not good investors. They are not swing traders. They are not day traders. They just they have heard that you buy a stock and you leave it for many years, you will become a millionaire or something. They just follow this stuff and they just buy and leave. But for us, when we buy a stock that it is going up, we should follow the stock. It doesn't mean that you stay 6 months or 1 year and you just close. It means you buy the stock, you close your account, and after 6 months you open it and you see if it is good or bad. No, we are not doing this, because this is not what we are doing. We are doing a business, so you should know each day what's the stock is doing. I'm not saying you go in the morning at 9:30 and then at 10 o'clock or 11 or 12 and each time you see. No, this is, if you want to do this is day trading. It means you do a trade in the day, you buy and you sell. We are not doing that here. Here we are doing short-term trading, which means you hold the stock for many days, for many weeks, or even for many months, but not years. Make sure what I say, not years. Because years, it is another thing called investing. If you want to stay years in a stock, you should know the company, you should know competition, you should know the earnings, you should know a lot of things about the company because you invest in this company. Now for us, we don't invest in these small companies. We don't invest in them. But we just follow the price. Whenever we get a lot of money and the stock is not going up anymore, it's going down, we exit the trade. And you tell me how. There are techniques, a lot of techniques that I use in order to do this. If you are interested, you can check my training level 7, how to follow an uptrend. And there is the trade that I told you about, which is 5 months and 2 weeks. You find that live. It means each week or 2 weeks, I make a video live and I show you where I am for 5 months and 2 weeks. It's true. Nobody can show you trade in many months, and they show you the stock where it is now and what will happen in the future. No one will do that. Okay, I do it just for people who are just serious to follow me and to see how I trade. Okay, so as I told you before, this is just a suggestion. If you are looking for good stocks, try to see the history if these stocks are going up. Because if stocks are going down, this is a major trend. They might continue going down. Stop thinking about these false ideas about investing, that stocks when they go down, they go up. No, there are most of the stocks, especially penny stocks, because they are small companies in the exchange. They are small. And sometimes these companies are small, they can't compete with bigger stocks, and these companies, they go bankrupt. That's why you see, you don't understand. You say, oh, this stock was $20, I see it $1 now. What did happen? You should go to this company, financials, and you will see that these companies have problems. So you are not going to do trades with this kind of companies. But if a company is doing good for 1 year or 2 or 3, it's going up, it means that this company is doing well. If you go to its financials, you must see that these companies are doing better than other stocks. Okay, so thank you very much for this lesson 4. Please go to lesson number 5.